Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a great ingredient for your home and garden. It is an inexpensive and non-toxic agent. It can be a slight replacement for the pesticides, fertilizers, and other chemicals you use in your garden. Here are some great uses for baking soda you can try. Number 1. Make a fungicide. Sometimes plants can be prone to fungal infections. You can treat them naturally with baking soda. Combine a gallon of water with a tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a spray bottle. Stir and add half teaspoon of castile soap. Spray this solution on the plants until any fungal disease disappears. Number 2. Prevent weeds. Weeds are a major problem in any garden. It's very difficult to get rid of them and they keep coming back and back. The baking soda is effective in killing smaller weeds and preventing new ones from appearing. Simply pour baking soda in a thick layer into the cracks of your sidewalk and patios. Number 3. Use it as a pesticide. Use baking soda to reduce infestations of many insects such as aphids, scales, and the spider mites. It may not kill them all but have a repellent action and halt their progress. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/3 cup of olive or mustard oil. Measure out 2 teaspoons of this mix and add it to 1 cup of water. Mix it well together and spray it on the infected plants. Number 4. Make your tomatoes sweeter. You can sweeten your tomatoes by lowering the acidity of the soil with baking soda. It also helps to discourage any pests. Simply sprinkle it lightly onto the soil. Number 5. Prevent powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is causing major problems with impatiens this year, but also can be a problem for other plants like lilacs, cucumbers, squash, and zinnias. Mix a gallon of water with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid in it and spray the mixture on the plants weekly. Apply on overcast days to prevent any potential foliage from burning. Number 6. Encourage plants to bloom. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda into 2 quarts of water and use this to water your flowering plants to encourage blooming. Number 7. Keep the smell of compost away. To keep the smell from compost pile under control, use a small amount of baking soda to eliminate odor. This helps prevent acidity buildup.